Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to introduce you to ChatGPT's advanced data analysis feature and what it can do. So I'm going to go ahead and actually drag and drop a sales data spreadsheet right over onto here. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to draw a curve that basically resumes everything in that spreadsheet. And so if I were to hit enter, it's going to proceed on to generate this. So it's analyzing it right now. And it has actually went ahead and it did a pretty good job. But what I want to show you is that you can go full screen. And when you go full screen, you can actually toggle back and forth between interactive mode, which is this one, and you can go back and forth to the normal mode. And as you can see, it has taken all the information inside of that spreadsheet and it has put it like this. And as you can see, this is a really tremendous feature. All right, so now I want to demonstrate ChatGPT's ability to actually interpret images in real detail. So I'm going to drag and drop an image, and I'm going to say, what are the things that I might miss in this image? So if I actually hit enter, it's going to proceed right now, and it's going to actually tell me the things that I might miss because my vision is limited. So obviously I can't see everything. But now using the vision model, ChatGPT is telling me that the image depicts a shadow, like shadows and lightning, so on and so forth. And it's going to go ahead and tell me what I might have missed because you can find it out here. So if anything is hidden, you'll find it here. If anything has text in it, you can find it here. So I'm going to say, point out, interpret text on the image. And right now it's going to go ahead and interpret the text that's on the image. So it says that the text on the building is Zico Apteka, which is exactly what is on here. So it's completely aware of everything that goes on. Even those little signs that I can barely see their titles here, it can go ahead and tell me that there are some signs. So here it says the text refers to it's a pharmacy, and you so on and so forth. And you can see that there are small signs with promotions or discounts offering at 20% off. And you can see that it's impossible for the normal eye to actually see that, but ChatGPT has this ability to see that from a mile away, which is really, really impressive. So now I have a HMRI image that I want to interpret, and I want to say medically interpret this. And it's going to take that image, it's an MRI or HMRI, and it should go ahead and interpret it for any problems. So it says here that this shows that it's an MRI showing a sagittal side view of the head. Here are your obvious observations: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, the ventricles, brainstem, sinuses, and there are no obvious signs of major abnormalities such as tumors, hemorrhages, or structural issues visible in this portion of the scan, but a full medical interpretation would require a healthcare professional, and so on and so forth. But it really does a pretty good job of a doctor. And I have a friend who, his mom was admitted in the hospital for quite some time. And he was actually using ChatGPT to talk to doctors, and he ended up saving his mom from taking a fatally problematic medication that the doctor was about to give her. But my friend told the doctor that, look, according to ChatGPT, this medication can cause complications for her condition. And the doctor says, well, yeah, that actually might be true. And it turned out to be true. And if he didn't use ChatGPT, then his mom would have just taken that medication, which was bad for her. But ChatGPT told my friend that medication is bad based on your mom's condition. And so ChatGPT is really powerful. Of course, it's no substitute to medical professionals because ChatGPT cannot know everything. And like I said, sometimes we miss to give it all the details, but it's really strong and powerful. And I really hope that you have enjoyed this video so far. And that's pretty much it for this lecture. And I'll see you in the next lecture, in which we're going to just resume and, I'll wish you the best of luck.